Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make these really easy, simple, delicious breakfast egg muffins. So let's just get started. The first thing I need is one bell pepper. I'm using this green one, but you can use any color that you have. And I'm just going to give this a rough chop, and then I'm going to put it through my veggie chopper. And I like this one because it has this little grid in here that has like really tiny little holes, and so it makes everything diced really small and uniform, or pretty much uniform, and it just saves me a lot of time. So I'm just gonna pop these in. Okay, there you see. Okay, and now I'm just going to do the same thing with a small onion. Today I'm using a red onion. This recipe will end up making 16 breakfast egg muffins. I'm following the WW program, which is formerly known as Weight Watchers, and I'm on the blue plan. And this recipe comes out to be 1 point per muffin, 2 points for 2 muffins, or 4 points for 3 muffins. So if you're following the Weight Watchers program, you just want to make sure you put that in your recipe builder, because depending on the ingredients, it might come out to a different point system or point value for you, and also depending on what color plan you're on. The next thing I need is 2 garlic cloves, and I'm just going to mince them up. Okay, and then last for the veggies, I need 2 tomatoes or 1 large tomato. I'm just going to dice these up. Okay, this is just something I'm not good at, so let's just skip to the part where I get it in the bowl. Okay, same thing for this one. Now I'm going to get started on the egg mixture. Like I said earlier, this recipe will make 16 egg muffins, so I'm going to use 10 eggs. Get these all cracked in the bowl. Now at this point you can choose to add salt and pepper to taste if that's your preference. Anytime I can try to eliminate salt from my diet, I will try to do that, so I'm going to leave it out today. And next I'm just going to add in half a cup of milk. I have this 2% reduced fat milk, but I've also made this recipe in the past using unsweetened almond milk, and that works out great too. Okay, next just give a good spray to your cupcake pan or your muffin tin, because eggs do like to stick, so give it a good spray. And next I'm just going to chop up this 7.5 ounce can of biscuit dough. These are pretty small biscuits. This is the Walmart brand. If you can't find this particular size of can, you can just weigh out your biscuits. So I'm just going to cut each biscuit up into 8 little pieces, and they're like really kind of small here, and I'm just going to put 5 of them in each muffin tin. Get the rest of these chopped up. So it's less than a biscuit per egg muffin. Okay, so next I'm just going to put the garlic in with my peppers and onions and stir that up a little bit, and then just spoon a little, I'm just going to eyeball it, just spoon a little spoonful on top of each muffin. And I'm going to do the same thing with the tomatoes. That looks good. And then same thing with the tomatoes. And then last but not least, the egg mixture. And just pour the egg mixture right on top of everything. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm just going to bake them in there for about 20 to 22 minutes until the biscuit puffs up through all those ingredients. It's nice and brown. There we go. And then the way I check it is I just kind of like press my finger on top to make sure that the eggs are set, and you can see there that the biscuit dough is nice and golden. So good. So what I'll do with these is I'll store a few in the fridge if I know I'm going to eat them kind of like maybe the next day or two, but then the rest of them I will put into a freezer bag and just put them in the freezer. I'll just pop these in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and they're awesome. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this kind of video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.